Hello traders, this is Umar with you. Hope you are all doing good. So highly volatile trading session, everything was going fine, and finally after the European markets opened, we saw Nifty going below 15,700. And we have been telling upside is very limited, market is not going to go on the upside. You forget 16,000, market is not even going to touch 15,900. And when in last week, when I told on Thursday, that is last expiry, I told market is going to crash, the data was all bullish. There were so many put writers, FIIs were buying for around 550 crores. On that day market reversed, and now not a single put writers. You can go, I will show you the chart. There is no put writing at all, only call writing is happening, and still people are believing market is going to shoot up. I don't know how this is going to work. And when Dow closed flat, actually what happened on last week is, on Thursday night or on Friday, Dow futures was deep in the red, like it was below 300 or 400 points. And when the US markets opened, Dow was by around 200-250 points. It was flat, and after the market hours, Dow futures was trading in the green. Suddenly people started believing that okay, market is going to reverse, and 15,700 was a good support. Since 15,700 was a good support, people are believing it is going to reverse. I don't think so. And when I told last time, there was like data was bullish, and as I told you, now data is not at all bullish. People are not writing puts. There are so many call writers, even in both in Nifty and Bank Nifty. There are so many call writers. In last video, that is Friday night, I told that 15,700 is a resistance for now. For the market to go to 15,900 and 16,000, we have to cross 15,700. Nifty is struggling to even cross above 15,700. It has to stay above 15,700 to touch 15,900 or 16,000. It is not happening all day long. Anyway, it gapped up, but it couldn't sustain above 15,700. It came in just 10 minutes. It went to 15,650 levels, and it was struggling in the second half of the day to close above 15,700. It is not happening. So I feel the upside is going to be very much limited, and I see 15,500 coming sooner or later. So in case Nifty is closing above 15,700, we may see Nifty going to 16,000 or 15,900. Apart from that, I don't see market is going to go anywhere. That's what I feel. So let's see what the chart says. And if you see, this is the chart of OI chart of Nifty, and as you can see, there is a good amount of call writing in 15,700. 15,800, there is good amount of massive call writing. Around 2 million calls have been written today only. And on weekly expiry, there is the maximum OI is at 15,800 and 15,700. So Bank Nifty, and Bank Nifty, as always, it doesn't support the Nifty move. And particularly HDFC Bank is not supporting the move. HDFC Bank, which is having highest weightage in Bank Nifty, was down by around 1%. And without HDFC, I don't think market is going to move anywhere. And even Reliance was marginally flat. It was not showing any positive momentum. So I feel market is going to go on the downside only. And this is the chart, and we have talked about this chart many times, and I don't see any point discussing about this same again and again. So I still believe market is not going to go on the upside. Upside is going to be limited. In case there is any good positive news, then market might go to 15,900 or 16,000. See, this corporate results and everything is being factored into. Market is in uncertainty. They don't know, because of this Delta variant of coronavirus, markets are very uncertain, and this Delta plus variant is increasing day on day in Europe and Asian countries. who knows, even in India there might be Delta plus variant patients, so we will have to see. If that happens, if that news comes, then that's it. We are going to go below 15,500, or even we will touch 15,000. So let us see. Even if there is any Delta plus patients in India, they might not tell. Media doesn't tell everything or anything in India, right? They don't tell everything, but they tell anything in India. So that's what happening. So we should be patient and we'll see what happens. For now, I don't see any upside move. I see 15,500 in the near future. Maybe Nifty will expire between 15,500 to 15,800 or 15,900 in coming days. That is what we can see from the data. And FII data has not yet come, and if you see the US futures are in the red. Their Dow is down by 100 points, and the SGX Nifty is up by like 50 points in the green. So let's see what happens. I may be wrong. There is no holy grail here. Let's see. If things go wrong, we will manage. That's what we can do, right? That's the maximum we can do. So let's see what happens tomorrow. And yesterday we posted a video, question and answer video. We got a good response from you. I thank you very much for the support. And that's it for today. Take care. Bye.